Rust, 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 rust. Here I've just started picking with a screwdriver at the spots that are bare metal, and it all started with these small bubbles. And after picking a little bit more with the screwdriver, you can really see how severe or all of the rust in the wheel arch panel there. And these spots was for themselves, so there is rust through also, and as you can see, this is compared to my finger, so it'll be interesting to see the problem behind here. So I'm not sure how I'm going to paint it yet, but as you can see, it doesn't look really nice. But the spots are not that big, so I think I will just do some small overlaps over those spots. Sweden won its first match against South Korea today. That is a big deal. No, it's really not, but I'm glad that they at least won. But of course, here I'm going again. There's always something wrong with these Saabs, and this thing here is just cosmetically, and of course it's just rust, but rust is just so damn ugly, and when the panels on your car rust, for me it's impossible to fix it in a good way. I will just try to make it better. So I am already around $60 into this project. Of course, I will not use up all of these things, but it still costed me $60. Of course, I can use this when I fix some more rust on my car, but yeah. But anyways, I bought some rust eater, a lot of like Dremel bits and stuff, so I can get all of the rust away, which is very important, so I don't really have to do this every 5 months. And then I also bought some masking tape. I probably have some laying around, but it's always good to have some extra. And then also bought some pads for my buffing tool. I have now removed almost all of the rust from the wheel arch, and I removed the rocker panel so I can get to other places as well. And it's fastened with just 3 8mm bolts and around 6 clips on the underside. And there you can also see that I've grinded off some spots that were also containing some rust. And also here in the dog leg in the back of the car. And these spots are also very normal on the Saab 95s. And now you can see those holes that I was talking about, and now you can really see the severity. In the backside here there is a lot of body filler because they like spot weld these panels together, and then they just glue it to prevent water from coming in. But when it's coming in behind the body filler, it just starts to rust all along it, so it's really a pain, and you can't really get in there and remove the rust. So when it have started, it's never going to go away if you don't do a really major job, which is not worth it on a car like this if you're not willing to do the work yourself. And also find some other rust spots as I showed you here. I just want to make everything good or okay when I'm first inside here, and I think I'm gonna do this strut strut tower later when I will be replacing this. So I am now layered on some rust ether with a cloth, and I will have to hose it off after 5 minutes. So I'm waiting now for the water to dry out so I can start painting with some rust prohibiting paint. The clock is now 11, so I will continue tomorrow.